let's get back to the boat. So what I've done is got a second tarp. I've just pulled it tight and screwed it all off around everywhere and tied it up on the sides. We've got a bit of a roof now. Keep a bit of that water off and a bit of the leaves out of the boat, because the leaves and the water is just getting a little annoying. So what I'm going to do today is just do a bit of a tidy up really. I want to get rid of all the leaf litter and the dirt, get all this stuff downstairs, and we'll get it down under the boat. Oh, I came the other day, I forgot the camera, but I cleaned all this out, acetoned it right up, and filled in all the gaps. So that's all been filled, ready. We just need to give it a good sand and another acetone before we fiberglass and get rid of any of the dirt and stuff that's sort of built on the edges there. We'll get all that out so we can keep this fiberglass going and get this side all done. The supplier should open up next week and we can get these pieces next week, and hopefully they've got them in. Let's get rid of some leaf litter, eh? And we've got bees have moved in again. We've got some more bees. The bees have moved in again. So there's a little hole in the side of the boat there, so we better fill that up, get rid of those bees. Oh, sweating already under here. At least it's not too bad. Just no breeze at all, is there? Whew. So yeah, welcome to 2025. Hopefully we get to do a bit more to the boat this year. We got a bit of a frame. That's a bit better. That should keep the weather off her for a little bit longer. Very exciting. All right guys, I'm gonna keep moving all this. The other thing I did is I have cut the old bit of steel that was holding the rudder. I'm gonna have to rebuild that rudder. So I want to try and get that off as well. But otherwise, it's getting exciting. It's always exciting here. Okay, let's do some stuff. I got some stands around the top now again. I remember using the frame as stands last time when I had the old one over there. It was a bit bigger and more impressive, but this will do. And that's great. Alright, I'm going to clean this little area up now because we're getting up to here. So, yeah, this is great. This is really going to help. Alright, let's get rid of all this stuff then. All right, we're giving it a really good sand over, grind. I've just gone over all these bumps and underneath this guy and all over this, and just cleaned all the flaky stuff and gotten right in everywhere and in here and chewed it right back, and we've gotten rid of most of the well, any sort of loose stuff and got it back to nice and solid again. Looks pretty good. Just needs a good acetone. We've got it down to a fairly level. This side's really level. This side's still up a little bit. So the first layer we might just get into this edge. Although this edge here, you know, it really fills really well. So I'm not too fussed. It's going to fill in anyway. And when we do the final top coat of vinyl ester, you know, that's going to get a bit of a sand up anyway. And then when we put our final paint coat on there, we're going to put a little bit of grit into it so it's grippy anyway. So texture, grit, it's all going to be worthwhile in the end. It's all going to get sanded back, it's all going to get leveled out, faired up, and a bit of grit. So this is just about getting this all in, so it's all sealed up. We've got our new deck edging happening, and just cleaning this area up. You know, we've got a fair bit to do here. We've got a lot to do everywhere. Anyway, let's get some acetone, clean this up, cut some fiberglass and fit it in here. All right, well that's exciting. And this bit here is already, you know, I love how hot it gets. Oh, that feels so nice and hot. I wish you could feel that. It's cooking. Baked in nicely. Oh yeah. Oh, that one's especially hot. That's great. That's really good. Okay. Let that bake in. And I'm going to get another one of these discs for up here. these guys, because that's just so much better for removing all the crap off the top of this. This is just going to get one coat of vinyl ester over the top of it, so I just want to clean it right up. We've got to sand up this guy as well, actually. And hello, little fuel tank. We got some new little brackets. We'll sand it right up, give it a nice clear coat. We'll take this stainless off both sides, get these brackets off and cleaned up. Ooh, exciting. This is ready. All that area is now all ready for the final vinyl ester coat, which is fantastic. And this side, beautiful. All right, I'll get these couple of tools out of here and we're going to go home for the day. So thanks for watching, guys.